साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं
येन
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। This is Rag Darbari. Sa ni sa re ga da ni pa ma pa da da ni pa sa. Special characteristic of Darbari is that the Gandhar and Dhaivat are Andolit Swar. Andolit yani you don't stay on it like constant. It's you move up and down on that swar. You don't so if I sing it straight, sa re ga, that is straight. But in Darbari it's Andolit. Sa re ga, same with dha. Ma pa dha, da ni pa, ma pa sa re ni sa re da, da ni pa, ma pa ga, ma re sa ni sa re da. It's a very what do you call it? It's a जो खरज सप्तक है, the lower octave. Darbar, you everything you can go a little bit up, but you must come back down. It's just a very rock solid kind of a stable raga. One second. Ma pa da da ni pa, बहुत तो सा तक गए. Ma pa sa re ni sa re da, immediately start coming back. Da ni pa, ma ga ma re sa ni sa re da, da ni pa sa, da pa ma pa ga, ga ma re sa, sa re ga ma pa da, da ni pa sa. There is one beautiful Meera bhajan on Darbari. Let's find it. What is it?
So nice.
Sa ni sa re ra ra ni pa sa मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी तुम देखो बिन कलना परत है तुम देखो बिन कलना परत है जानत मोरी छातिर मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी सारे ग म प ध नि प ऊंची चढ़ चढ़ पंथ निहारूं ऊंची चढ़ चढ़ पंथ निहारूं रो रो अखियां राती रे मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मीरा के प्रभु परम मनोहर मीरा के प्रभु परम मनोहर हरि चरणन गुण गाती रे हरि चरणन गुण गाती रे मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी पल पल तेरा रूप निहारूं पल पल तेरा रूप निहारूं निरख निरख सुख पाती रे मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी तुम देखो बिन कलना परत है तुम देखो बिन कलना परत है जानत मोरी छाती रे मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी मेरे जन्म के साथी beautiful beautiful Mira's bhajan, of course, of longing, of waiting, of wanting, of missing, and the beauty of that. I may have shared this story once with you before. बाद में होगा. So this story about one Krishna Bhakt who was very, 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 very much in love with Krishna and with that entity, that divine energy, and he was praying to him, and
And this kind of तड़प for meeting, कब मिलोगे मुझे कृष्णा, मुझे कब मिलोगे, कब मिलोगे. And so for many years it went on like this. He was a simple person living in a small hut and, making his living. So one day Krishna was so pleased with his bhakti that he decided to go and actually give him darshan. So he arrives at his door early in the morning one day and knocks on the door. And this Hari Bhakta says, "Kaun hai?" And and Krishna says, "मैं हूँ जिसका तुम बरसों से इंतजार कर रहे हो. वही हूँ मैं आया हूँ तुम्हें मिलने." तो you know what he says? He says, "आप चले जाइए." मुझे नहीं मिलना है आपको, क्योंकि मेरा प्रेम जो है आपके लिए वो उतना उज्जवल है, उतना उम, अ, उस उतनी उसकी अम, मौजूदगी है, उतना उसका अस्तित्व है, उतना उसका प्रेज़ेंस है, क्योंकि मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, और वो इंतज़ार में जो मुझे आनंद आ रहा है, तो वो मैं आनंद को नहीं खोना चाहता। इसीलिए आपका प्यार मेरा बना रहे, इसीलिए आप आपसे मैं नहीं मिलूँगा. And Krishna, of course, understands and go away. So the same words in this, निरख निरख सुख पाती रे, निरख निरख सुख पाती, मेरे जन्म मरण के साथी. There is one more in Darbari, also very nice one. Uh, 55. ये गुजराती में है, लेकिन आप समझ जाएंगे, आई एम श्योर. मारा भाला प्रभु. This is again a song of missing, of waiting. मारा भाला प्रभु, क्या रे मणशो मने, मारी आशा पूरी, ક્યારે કરશો તમે મારા ભાલા પ્રભુ, ક્યારે મળશો મને, મારી આશા પૂરી ક્યારે કરશો તમે મારા વાલા પ્રભુ. કરુણા સાગર તમારું છે બિરુદ પ્રભુ, કરુણા કરશો એ આસ કરું છું વિભુ, રાત દિવસ સમરું પ્રભુ તુજને, મારી આશા પૂરી
ક્યારે કરશો તમે મારા વાલા પ્રભુ તુજને નિરખી શકું તેવી દ્રષ્ટિ તું દે તુજને ઓળખી શકું એવી શક્તિ તું દે તારી માયાની છાયા માં રહેવું ગમે મારી આશા પૂરી ક્યારે કરશો તમે મારા વાલા પ્રભુ ક્યારે મળશો મને મારી આશા પૂરી ક્યારે કરશો તમે another one so on that thought about how divine presence experience of all kinds you know that we talked once about this Marathi geet this Vithala tu veda kumbhar so it's not in Darbari, of course, but I just remembered that. But then on the same lines about how the divine play does not just happen according to what we think is correct. It is way, way beyond our intelligence, actually. So this one other song, which is in Darbari, that is why I remembered it. What is it? Got it.
राजकुमारी को पढ़ो थोड़ी ओ मीना मीना थोड़ी है जो खाली कर रहा है हाँ खाली करके गया ये दीदी तुम्हारी सहेली रही थी हाँ वही तो कह
रखवाले ओ दुनिया के रखवाले सुन दर्द I don't think I can sing it. But it speaks of the human condition. सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, आस निरास के दो रंगों से दुनिया तूने सजाई। आस निरास के दो रंगों से दुनिया तूने सजाई। नैया संग तूफान बनाया, मिलन
मिलन के साथ जुदाई।
आप ही गा लो, चलो पुरुषोत्तम जी, आप just find the lyrics and sing it. Come on.
I have the
You have to
lyrics.
finish the song.
You want the lyrics?
No, I have the lyrics. You sing it. I cannot
Okay.
sing it.
Okay. Here, Purushottam ji, I'm giving you the lyrics.
Or maybe after the sip of water I can.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
Yeah. Purushottam ji, the lyrics come to you. Okay?
Okay, I will just, you listen to the words. I will not listen to the words. Only then I can sing.
Oh, come on. You can sing. Come on.
आस निराश के दो रंगों से दुनिया तूने सजाई। नैया संग तूफान बनाया, मिलन के साथ
जुदाई या देख लिया हर जाई।
क्या देख लिया हर जाई।
मेरे प्यार की मर्जी अब तो नीर बहाने।
अब तो
नीर
नीर बहाले हो दुनिया के रखवाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले।
मेरे नाले सुदर्द भरे
मेरे नाले। गाओ, आप बहुत अच्छा गाते हो। Come on. Sanjeev ji, are you there? Sanjeev ji, I think he lost. He becomes so emotional. That's Sanjeev ji, are you there?
That is the beauty of his song.
फ्रीज हो गए संजीव जी।
He lost.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
आस निरास के दो रंगों से दुनिया तूने सजाई। पागल बनाया मिलन के साथ जुदाई, जहाँ देख लिया हर जाई। ओ गई
जीवन
मैं
में
प्यार की नगरी,
नगरी
अब
अब
तो
तो
नीर
नीरज
बहाने
बहाले,
भगवान।
अब तो नीर बहाले अब तो नीर बहाले ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। चांद चांद को ढूंढे पागल सूरज, शाम को ढूंढे सवेरा, मैं भी ढूंढूं उस प्रीतम को, हो न सका जो मेरा। भगवान भला हो तेरा, हो किस्मत फूटी आस न टूटी, पाँव में पड़ गए छाले
भगवान।
ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। Oh, I'll have to prepare this one properly.
Yes, it's a very beautiful song and my favorite song.
Yeah, it's and for
Beju
now.
Baura, I think. It's Beju Baura. Was it from Beju Baura? No. I
I don't,
think Beju Baura, no?
is it? Let me see. I don't know. It doesn't say over here. Ah, here it is. Naushad Shakil Badayuni. Ah, it is Beju Bawra.
See, I told you it's my favorite song. I
Yep,
know
yep.
the whole, I can picturize that whole scene also, how he was singing it.
Okay.
I remember that whole thing.
Nice. And now you also know that it is in Rag Darbari.
Yes, and I'm going to learn the song.
Okay, sure. Go for it. And right, so this song captures this aspect that we were talking about yesterday of the up and down, the infinite combination of games and emotions and play that the divine wishes to express and experience through us. So all of it is that divine experience through us, all shades of gray, all shades of black, white, green, and everything in between. So this song captures that, uh, even though it is expressed in the form of a pain or a suffering, but you and I can relate to it in a deeper way, that this is just the play, just the play of the divine, which causes hurt, and we can experience hurt, and we can experience suffering and sorrow and pain and all that. But if we accept that that is what it is, that is, this is all divine play, then there is no suffering on top of the suffering. The sorrow can be there, but the suffering need not be there. You can feel grief, you can feel sorrow, you can feel sad. It's perfectly okay. But it's when we resist that sadness, that is when we are forgetting who we are, and getting into suffering rather than simply sorrow or sadness, which is okay. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
इसमें एक लाइन है,
हाँ
इस गाने में एक लाइन है,
हाँ,
भगवान भला हो तेरा.
Yeah.
भगवान भला हो, yeah,
भगवान भला हो तेरा. It goes like that.
yeah,
वो सफरिंग में भी उसमें एक आशीर्वाद है, भगवान
आशीर्वाद, yeah,
तुमने
yeah,
मेरे लिए
yeah,
तो सफरिंग दिया, लेकिन भगवान भला हो तेरा.
भला हो
तूने ऐसी
तेरा,
दुनिया बनाई, फिर भी दुनिया भला हो तेरा.
तेरा हो भला. Exactly. Yeah, it's a very, it takes an open heart and an open consciousness to bless under all circumstances. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Yesterday I had asked you to remind me about something, Purushottam ji. What was it?
Quality of eye.
Huh?
Quality of eye.
Yes, quality of eye.
The quality
Capital I.
of
Yes,
quality of
Sonal.
yeah. So on the one hand, when we are in that second step, when we talk about the आत्म गुण ज्ञान की जो बारे में बात करते हैं सेकंड स्टेप में, कि वी अंडरस्टैंड द क्वालिटीज ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, तो इन अ वे हम निर्गुण कहते हैं. इट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. देयर इज नो actual qualities that you can fix on this consciousness. All qualities are objects or are experiences which this consciousness becomes one with. So rather than saying love, peace, or happiness are qualities of consciousness, we can put it in a more correct way. And the more correct way is to say that there is an absence of wanting, there is an absence of craving. So it is an absence of a quality actually. There is an absence of craving, which we can call, in positive terms, we can call it happiness. But it is an absence of craving. So even for us, what we are looking for when we say, I want happiness, what we are looking for really is the absence of craving, the absence of want, the absence of something missing. That itself is happiness. It is not something that you experience as an object, like, oh, I'm happy. No, it is the absence of any craving. When there is no craving left, there is nothing to be craved. You are satisfied. You are okay with what is. You're perfectly fine with this moment here, right now, the way it is. That itself is happiness. Similarly, rather than saying love is a quality of consciousness, it is an absence of separateness. When there is an absence of separateness, you don't experience any separateness, that is love. And the absence of agitation. There is no agitation. It is completely without agitation. So the actual quality of consciousness is the absence of agitation, which we call, in a positive terms, we call it peace. But because consciousness itself is only a container and a creator of all experiences, including peace, love, and happiness, it is more correct, rather than saying love, peace, and happiness are qualities of consciousness, it is more correct to say that there is an absence of craving, there is an absence of separateness, and there is an absence of agitation. So those are the qualities. And then वो जो पुनः प्रवेश वाली जो बात की हमने, तो पुनः प्रवेश is the third step, right, where we understand that all experience is only made of this transparent nothingness which consciousness is. उसको लेकर सारा ब्रह्मांड क्रिएट होता है. जैसे माइंड में, मन में कुछ सब्सटेंस नहीं है, लेकिन पूरा मन में, पूरा एक सपने में पूरा ब्रह्मांड खड़ा हो जाता है मन के सपने के अंदर. उसी तरह से this substanceless nothingness, which is everything, which is consciousness, वही substance को लेके सारा ब्रह्मांड create होता है. So, and it is made of that. So when you see that, that is the re-entry into the world. ब्रह्मांड को जानते हुए ये गुण, और जानते हुए कि जो भी मैं देख रहा हूं, जो भी मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूं, ये सिर्फ वही है. वो जानते हुए पुनः प्रवेश. और उसके बाद जो रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ, one word came to me, which is ब्रह्मांड तत्वोत्सव. ब्रह्मांड का जो तत्व है उसका celebration. The whole universe is just made of this Krishna, consciousness, Christ, Shiva, divine, love, peace, joyousness. So that tattva को जानकर उसको celebrate करना, that is the whole sadhana from this moment on. Brahmand Tattvotsav. We can, new phrase we are creating just so we can refer to it in shorthand instead of having to describe the whole thing again. So we'll go into more detail on this second, third, and fourth step maybe tomorrow. So happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. But also remember, the great quality of India is not just patriotism. We are seeing even today how India is one of the only countries which is reaching out to the less fortunate countries, the less developed countries. India is the only one which is going to Brazil, which is going to Africa and saying, okay, we will give you vaccines. Here is 70,000 vials. Here is 80,000. Here is 500,000. So we are shipping. Because we are, we have that universal or global awareness of all humanity. So, which is a wonderful quality of ours, which, so while we celebrate this group or this geography called India, we remember that we are part of the much larger family, which is the human family and the family of all life everywhere in the universe. So, wonderful. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I bow down to the divine that is you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.